Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather the essential tools you will need for this maintenance task. You will need a screwdriver, a soft cloth, a vacuum cleaner with a nozzle attachment, and a brush specifically designed for lint removal. Now, let's dive into the maintenance process. First, unplug your HS dryer to ensure safety during maintenance. This is a crucial step that must not be overlooked. Once unplugged, remove the lint filter and clean it thoroughly. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any residue or lint buildup. If you notice any damage to the filter, consider replacing it to maintain optimal performance. Next, we will focus on the dryer vent. This is a vital area that often gets neglected. Use your vacuum cleaner with the nozzle attachment to remove any lint or debris from the vent. If the lint is compacted, you might want to use the lint brush to dislodge it. Remember, a clean vent promotes better airflow and efficiency. If you find it difficult to access the vent or need assistance, keep in mind that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's move on to the interior of the dryer. Open the dryer door and check the drum for any lint accumulation. Use your soft cloth to wipe down the interior surfaces. Pay special attention to the edges where lint can gather. After cleaning, inspect the drum for any signs of wear or damage. If you detect any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Once you've cleaned the interior and vent, it's time to check the exterior of the dryer. Dust and dirt can accumulate on the exterior, so use a damp cloth to wipe it down. This not only keeps your dryer looking new but also helps in maintaining its functionality. After cleaning, let's ensure everything is reassembled correctly. Replace the lint filter and ensure it fits snugly in place. Check all screws and parts to make sure they are tight and secure. If you encounter any complications or are unsure about reassembly, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making maintenance hassle-free. Finally, plug your dryer back in and run a short cycle to ensure everything is functioning properly. Listen for any unusual noises and monitor the drying performance. If you notice anything out of the ordinary, don't forget that you can schedule a professional diagnosis without obligation. In conclusion, regular maintenance of your HS dryer is essential for its longevity and efficiency. By following these steps, you will not only keep your dryer clean but also enhance its performance. Remember, if you ever need assistance, we are here to help. With our services, you can enjoy no calls, no travel, and peace of mind knowing your appliance is in good hands. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.